So this just slides in with the knob that's on top, press it, turn it, and it's going to lock into place. Okay? Got to make sure that it's engaged fully in order to make good contact. So let's press this button and turn this bad boy on. So this bad boy is going to just connect in like this. Okay, next thing, adjust your time for division until you see one full cycle. So at this point, you can see that there's a number of different cycles coming through here. So by changing this guy, the time for division, that's going to change. See, right now all we have is just a quick little blip coming across. As we change it, 20 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, 5. And as we change this, we slowly get to be able to see the waveform there. So now we can see the square wave output. And now we've got a couple of cycles there that we can see. Obviously, if we do this a little bit too much, then we're not going to see the full cycle. So let's see. That one looks pretty good there. It's at 0.2 milliseconds. So this will also screw up. If you have this button here pressed for ground, then it creates a straight line. So we don't see the waveform that we're supposed to. But what we can do is we can take this vertical positioning here and we can bring this up and line it up on the actual x-axis.